I made this new brush just for fun. And if you have pressure sensitivity set, you press soft, it makes a smaller one. And if you press hard, it makes a larger one. If you hold it, it'll keep changing. You can make a line of them. And I set 2 colors over here. If you hit X, you can switch to blue. You could change the colors anywhere, but I like this combination. And let's say you want, this one will give you this green here. If you want that green in your composition, let's say I want a big one here, just keep pressing it until I get green. There we go. I mean, this is just for fun, so it's not super precise. I could go in and change it so it's more reliable per color, but that would make it a little less fun to play with. There's that. I say I like the red there, so let's get another red. So you have some control in general with size and what colors you want. What color do I like out of these? Turquoise? Pink? So let's make a, if I take this off, I can get the exact size, controlling it with the left and right bracket keys. Let's see. Oh, I like that. Okay. And you could go to a new layer on top and do something and then move it around wherever you like it. Merge it down. You can make a bunch of them. Move it around. You can use the transform to get it just how you like it. You could also put it under this layer to show up differently. Move it around again. Up to you. Now if you want to change the colors, you can go, this is the foreground color. I could change it to whatever I want. Right now it's pink. Let's say I wanted yellow. That seems kind of risky, but let's try it on its own layer. Okay, that kind of works. Now it's going yellow to blue between these two colors. Blue is the background color I chose, and this actually works rather nicely, I think. Okay. If I turn that, nope, doesn't make a difference. Alright, let's turn this back on. I want to make some really small ones. And then if you hit X again, let's see how that works. Not that fond of that combination. So let's change this color. Let's go with the solid green and see what it does. It's the green yellow combo. Switch it. Okay, that's it. And here's one I made before, playing around. And let's see this new one. You can combine them.